JSB from the Bronx. Who said Brooklyn ain't got love for the Bronx, man? The Bronx ain't got love for Brooklyn. It's the prime example right here. The X is out here and nothing but love. You already know, man. JSB in the house. About to set it off. He got bars.
Hey, y'all, what's good, y'all? How Brooklyn feeling tonight? All right, y'all can't tell, but I'm nervous as hell. So if y'all could do me a favor and just like the music, that would make me feel way greater. Thank you so much. That's not too hard, right? All right, first one, little old school soul music. Let's do it, right? Yo, everybody put your hands up. Yo, L-E-A-D-E-R. I don't need a click with razors, I use a laser. I focus all my energy, I turn it to a quasar. Before I collapse the black hole, step inside the wormhole of the L-E-A-D-E-R. I don't have to cut with razors, I use a laser. I focus all my energy, I turn it to a quasar. Before I collapse the black hole, step inside a wormhole. Beside my mind and find a paradise beside a paradise. That's a parasite, depending upon perspective. Japanese aesthetics, me Kenyan calisthenics. We're all minerals and the brain is the greatest chemist. So many sweet 16s, I got restraining orders from my dentist. Give me the credit for criticizing without the debit. A living legend like legend before Batman had me hanging off of my ledges. I need to all your pledges. Suck on my Fifth Amendment. I'm not a human, I'm an extraterrestrial. Terrorizing their ways again. Fractions of popular residence will make you brave against turbulence and war and famine. And death is only just a beta, kids. You get download my content, it's for free. Stand against the state of hip-hop versus JSB. Make America greater than what Trump dumbass would believe. But before I make the clan bleed, I'ma need you to take me to your L-E-A-D-E-R. I don't have to cut with razors, I use a laser. I focus on my energy, I turn it to a quasar. Before I collapse the black hole, step inside the wormhole of the L-E-A-D-E-R. I don't have to cut with razors, I use a laser. I focus on my energy, I turn it to a quasar. Before I collapse the black hole, step beside the. I got a soul like Absol, a Viking high on the Vicodin. Overdose on vitamins, vital to fighting violence. Files the minds against preaching, no one never really dies until my body's laying inside a supine again. Drop your red bomb. A lap dance for this rock star. Since you don't spit bars, you're not a rapper, stop jacking it. I drop more knowledge in my room when I'm jacking it. So that's a zeta by Dan, I'm splashing upon the breasts and there's a universe inside of my testicles. And it's a big bang theory when we bang and conceive an alternate reality. Realize it, realize we are gods and consciousness created everything. Move mountains and split the seas. I came with a regime and my queen is pretty like Gina. The jeans now, take me to your whole up. L-E-A-D-E-R. I don't have to cut with razors or use a laser. I focus on my energy, I turn it to a quasar. Before I collapse the black hole, step inside a wormhole. Yeah. Alright, I got another one. I gotta switch it up on y'all real quick. Hold on. There we go. Home is where I lay my head. Squat in the studio and splitting rent. Going that Henny, now I'm feeling loose. Hop in the booth and let my spirit vent. I went through hell and back and came out lit. I hit the words but you can't tell me shit. Smoking a burning bush and sacrilegious. The devil was Vicky's secret and she sticks. College and church, every place they live. The sneakers is glossy looking like they drip. Thinking I'm Billie Jean, yeah, I'm the one. This ain't a dream, this the life I live. And I ain't even reached my final form. I was the king before I was even born. I was just King Kong in my zoo. Now I'm like Tetsuo to the youth. Whoa. Yeah. Come on. Make some noise, Brooklyn, if you feeling alright. Yeah. Y'all fucking with it? Cause ain't really earn no more I learn. Just for a come up, your kin will get your burns. Niggas and snakes are always mow my lawn, thinking you safe until it is your turn. I'm like young Adele, yeah, it's getting deep. Leave these bitches crying, yeah, I'm Dawson Street. Cause I done changed up on these hoes. This isn't young James anymore. This ain't nice guys finish last. I'm young asshole, get you dick and dash. My come up story gonna be so real. Niggas like God dogs ain't mad. I don't need white picket fence with grass. Do not need supermodel with fake ass. All I need is wifey and a little kush in 1,000 hours inside the booth. Yeah, make some noise one more time, y'all. So, I have this bad habit of constantly switching up the sound throughout the show. No one can ever pinhole me. People don't know. Is he a trap artist? Is he a gangster rapper? Is he a conscious artist? So I gotta switch it up for y'all a third time real quick. Play that third one.
Conscious rapper.
Wrong one, wrong one.
Yo. We out here. You know, South Gang, my nigga.
Alright, here we go.
Damn.
This is one of my favorite recordings ever. All this music is off my new project. It's not out yet, to be announced. Feeling like I'm a new man, cause I got myself a new chain. Got to work in a new plan, but it came with a new pain. Got me wondering just who I am, wondering when the shit changed. Thought you'd be happy I'm making moves like seasons, ain't feeling change. Feeling like I'm a new man, cause I got myself a new chain. Got to work in a new pan, but it came with a new pain. Got me wondering just who I am, wondering when the shit changed. Thought you'd be happy I'm making moves like seasons, ain't feeling change. Feeling like I'm a new man, feeling like I'm a baller. Feeling like I might call her, feeling like I might ignore her. Feeling change on a regular, I don't worry why she dug me. And ever since we started making moves, she found my new attitude ugly. I found this new attitude lovely. I keep finding new thoughts to fuck me. One of my crushes don't want me. I really try not to think about it. Niggas really think I'm pussy, but they don't wanna be the first to find out about it. I don't even wanna think about it. Woo! Woo! Same chest is a new chain. Just a new way. Just a new plan. Woo! Woo! Just a new day, same weed, just a new day. Same weed, just a new strain. Same cool, just a new grave. Know the time, right? You don't know about the grind time. You don't know about the rain, hail, slain, snail, hell, high water, right? When I finally cop a new chain, 10 years, cop a new race, 20 years, 20 new estates. Looking back, know my hustle great. Looking back, with a new man, cause I got myself a new chain. Feeling like I'm a new man. New pain, got me wondering just who I am. Wondering when the shit changed. Thought you'd be happy I'm making moves like seasons, ain't feeling change. Feeling like I'm a new man, cause I got myself a new chain. Got us to work in a new plan, but it came with a new pain. Got me wondering just who I am. Wondering when the shit changed. Thought you'd be happy I'm making moves like seasons, ain't feeling change. Yeah. I got one last one for y'all and I'm done for the night, alright? Last one. Real quick, let me get some noise if y'all still fucking with me. All right, that's lit. I'm low-key hot on the stage right now. Sweater was a bad idea.
We out here. You know, South Gang, my nigga.
Yeah, shouts to NoFilterRadio. Let's go. Shouts to Carter Slade, yo. He's on the cell phone and he trapping with the two-tone. And I'm fucking with a red bone and she tan with the two-tone. And I wanna cop the Range Rover so I can paint it two-tone. Nigga said he got a blend roll, so I'm smoking on that two-tone. Two-tone, two-tone. Two in the air if you fucking with two-tone. Two-tone, two-tone. All my niggas got is that two-tone. Never was a trapper, always been a rapper, now I'm thinking backwards. Never was a smoker, try to keep it sober, now I'm smoking backwards. Hottest backpack, rat mac with the rat pack. Smoking loud packs, fat blunts, packs to the rim. Stack out so ram rap in the brim jack. Niggas in track jacks on the Ave. On the daily move. Getting money on the daily is the daily move. Facts on the crack, rock that termite glass back till I turn dad back to the glass. pass that bag, I'ma smash that bar to a sand dune. But back to the trap bag, I was never goon, wasn't always goon. To the pussy never called back, to the niggas tease called me pussy fat. Now I got the same niggas bitch and the pussy fat.
I'm hella proud.
And I'm hella black, but I'm jagged that, yeah I'm uptown, brought the Bronx back. And I'm down in Brooklyn, nigga. New Harlem Renaissance cat. Boom bap, jazz ass, raw ass. Just made something trap. What you think you finna do about that? And my nigga on the cell phone, and he trapping with his two-tone. And I'm fucking with a red bone, and she tan with the two-tone. And I wanna cut the Range Rover so I can paint it two-tone. My nigga said he got a blend roll, so I'm smoking on that two-tone. Two-tone, two-tone. All my niggas got is that two-tone. Two-tone, two-tone. All my niggas got is that two-tone.
Wrist frozen like Pinkberry, taking the best at the pool table.
Yeah.
Independent, I don't need a label. Turn my life into a
Movie
movie
scene.
scene. Nigga, back up, who is you?
You.
I get the views from your bitch.
Bitch.
You know that I get it, you know that I live it.
You know that I get it, you know that I live it.
I got a wife and she holding money.
Holding me.
I got a sign and she hold the pole.
Hold the pole.
I do not wait for a yes or no.
Yes or no.
I'm at the red and I'm still on go.
Back.
Every song black,
Back.
everything black. Even the
Mac.
Mac. Try to run up, get sprayed with the mace. Try to run away and get hit in
with
the
the
back.
Mac.
Yeah. I gotta win for my team, nigga.
It's on me now.
I left a stick in the car, nigga.
It's on me now.
I left a brick in the car, nigga. It's on me now.
It's on me.
I left a stick in the car, nigga.
It's on me now. Look. And my nigga on the cell phone, and he trapping with the two-tone. And I'm fucking with a red bone, and she tan with the two-tone. You don't wanna cut the Range Rover so I can paint it two-tone. My nigga said he got a blend roll, so I'm smoking on that two-tone. Two-tone, two-tone. All my niggas got is that two-tone. Two-tone, two-tone. All my niggas want is that two-tone. Yeah. Thank
You
y'all.
already know what it is, man.
Do I have a real quick? Can I spit one more verse real quick? I'm gonna spit one more verse and I'm gonna just go up. All acapella right here, alright? Alright, y'all ready? I'm gonna wait for the beat to go away. Alright, listen. Never under pressure, the pressure is now under me. This ain't who I am, this is what the world forced me to come to be. Smoke so much weed that my nut is now like an edible. Santorini grease, this Jeffrey smelling incredible. Practice what you preach, you novices is looking obvious. Hollow tips of ballpoint pens leave you leaking consciousness. Ball joints spin where your homies peep, the next target is me against the world. I plan to survive the apocalypse. Conscious of the consequences of constantly constipated. Progress of the propositions properly to propagate. Mysterious miseducation, these schools complacencies. I've been non-compliant, complaining to compromise your camaraderie to their commodities, to modify your module. I am moldable, but right now I am Socrates, sacrificing no morals. My heritage is collard greens, Malcolm X, and coconut oil. I'm out.
Yes, sir.
Give it up for the one and only SB the Gold for the Bronx.
What's good, y'all?
Good looking, man. You definitely turned it out, man. All right, all right, all right. You gonna rap today? You gonna rap today?
Yes, sir. You already